In Ottawa right now, rent is just smoking hot. I usually don't do rent, but I decided to give you a little observation of what's available for rent in Ottawa under $3,000. I'm showing unit on Monk Street. This unit is for rent, not for sale. This unit is a little bit on the smaller side. My clients are not happy that it's not enough storage, but it's right next to Lansdowne Park. I'm showing today houses around downtown. I'm here on McLean Street and it's unbelievable. It's such a cute little townhouse with the parking and with the garage, and I am just so impressed. So let's go and see it. A very nice, spacious, open concept kitchen. I'm actually very impressed by this little pocket of townhouses in downtown. It's a 2-bedroom house. Very nice sized bedrooms. We're looking under $3,000, and I would say that this townhouse under $3,000 takes my heart because I know the areas and we're right in the middle, Little Italy, 5 minutes to the Dallas Lake. It's just amazing location and a very nice and spacious townhouse with the parking right in front of your house and also with the garage space. So pretty impressive. I'm showing 203 Catherine Street. Oh my God, it's such a beautiful building. The view is amazing, very modern style. It is not a big unit, but it's still 2 bedrooms, 2 full bedroom, 1 bathroom behind me, a little cutie kitchen, look at that, little cute kitchen, so very good. The view is unbelievable. Look at this view. Look at this view. You see whole entire Queensway and the Carling. It's very, very nice. I think Catherine Street, sorry, not Carling. So it is a very nice unit. So look at that, a little kitchen. You know, you're standing here in the kitchen and you see whole entire city in front of you, okay? And this is, I walked into the master bedroom, also lots of windows and a beautiful master bedroom. I'm showing 570 Loria Avenue West. What can I tell you? Out of all the different condos that we looked at, this condo is really, really good because it has ensuite, big bedroom, a nice other bedroom, lots of storage, so my clients are very happy. It also has a very nice view outside. It's not air closed, so we are really happy with this showing. So just to let you know, the older, colder building is, yes, the condo fee gonna be a little bit up there, but when you're renting, who cares? So it is a really a nice property to rent right in the middle of downtown next to LeBreton Flats, and it's under $3,000. There's units under $3,000. If you are interested in buying or selling any of these units, you can call me, Alvin Usher, your Ottawa real estate expert.